to my YouTube channel. It's a girl D. So yeah, it's snowing, snowstorm. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. To be honest, I just want to go on a quick update. Like not really update, but like I don't know. Just I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. For now, like it's after 3 or after 4. So I'm just gonna shovel the sidewalk for coming out. Oscar any other job pan this it now pretty. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys. Stay tuned. And I hope you guys like my new intro. Like that is like yeah. Yes sir. Damn, it's cold. Yeah, and I can't even see. Damn. Now look for the shovel. Come here, come on, mother. I should not answer. I'm so sorry, but I have to put my phone down. Because if mother does that, we're not gonna see me. Alright, so.
It's cold. Can you go out up where? Why? I don't know. Yeah, it's still in the snow, right? Huh? It's still in the snow. Yeah, but my hands are freezing. So wear gloves. Inside? Go get it. Let me call and say. Call me, Shana. You just passed it. Guys, she's coming out of us. What? Our gloves. I got Shana from?
I just put it on the mat. Right there, Arnold? No, I'm about to come inside for a bit.
Walk up and me.
Okay. I can't come downstairs?
You can't come downstairs with that one, so go on the balcony, and you can knock off it.
Yo, I'm bored. I'm really bored. You know, I'm not sure about ducking.
Tell you something. I said, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
You know, I'm not sure about ducking. Yo, this is frozen, y'all. This is really frozen. Alright. So actually, we finished. I got help from the kid right there, the kid next door. Wow, that was cute. Yeah, so I got help. So we're about to make a snow angel. My nose are run. Can't feel it. Well, I can't feel it, but whatever. Yeah. So no, when on the first cold and I can't really feel whatever happening, but yeah. We're about to make a snow angel, so stay tuned. I'm afraid. We just feel it cold. Yeah, because it is. Ready? Yours is big. Yours is big. Let's see. What about it? No, see before I go on. Alright. Oh! Hold on.
Like right there's the sidewalk.
Yeah. Nasty.
No, it's like
It's about to go down.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no.
That hurt.
You saw me.
I won't do a what? Huh? You missed me. I just wanna. I can't move. Alright. Pick up. Wait, hold up.
You look like a snowman now.
It's cold. Then when I finish, I'll be the picture. Okay. What happened?
Do it sideways. Alright, it's time. I almost fell, y'all. Shut up. This girl don't stop speaking. Alright, so yeah, basically that was it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where this come from, to be honest. I don't normally have them something on my face, but anyways, no more of the story. I'm just gonna sneak peek at what I do today. Like I have a 9 class of stress me and then the snow stuff. I'm just gonna enjoy myself a little bit. Yeah, so yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to another friend. If you don't know the drill, comment down below and tell me if you don't like my new intro and all them nice somebody. Sorry if it's on ghetto and slam foot and all that, but yeah, so you don't know. Stay tuned until next time.